Well, the weather's not going to be stopping anybody. It's absolutely gorgeous out there and definitely on the warm side of things as well. I mean, look at our current temperatures, already warmer and a lot warmer, 10 degrees warmer than what we saw for highs over the last couple of days. Boston's at 64. Norwood, you're closing in on 70 degrees. Compared to this time yesterday, most of us 20, 25 degrees warmer. So it's incredibly warm out there. And the best part is we're going to stay nice and dry. We are going to have a wind that starts to pick up right now. We're already seeing wind speeds 15-ish miles an hour, and that's coming in from the southwest, actually part of the reason we are so warm. So it is going to be breezy at times, but considering how warm the temperature is going to be, it's not like you're dealing with a windy day when you have 20, 30-degree temperatures. Election day forecast noon 70, high of 72 around 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock still 70, 8 o'clock 63. What goes up must come down. Now tomorrow we continue to go up at 76, but then Thursday, Friday back down to the 60s, Saturday back closer to average. More on that coming up. Warm for your election day for today, near records as we head into tomorrow. Cool down is coming though. I'll show you when coming up. Yesterday morning, a lot of us got down to the 20s. Now a lot of us waking up to, well, most of us have been awake for a little bit, but we did wake up to very warm temperatures. And here we are looking down at 70 degrees come noontime. High temperature close to 72 degrees around 2 and 3 o'clock. And then 4 o'clock, we're still near 70 and 8 o'clock in the 60s. 8 o'clock temperature still around 10 degrees warmer than our high temperature for yesterday. So a huge warm up on the way for today and then especially tomorrow when we're going to be close to record high. Unfortunately, we still have that elevated fire weather risk. So again, just be careful of how you dispose of any smoking materials, open burning, anything like that. The air is dry. We have a lot of dry brush on the ground. The ground itself is really dry. And then on top of that, you couple with some gusty winds and brush fires can start easily and they can spread pretty rapidly. So just be careful there. And it's also the fact that we're dry. Again, we have the drought out there. The ground's dry. Here's why. Just for the month alone, and it's only, what, November 5th? We're a ½ inch below average, and for fall overall, nearly 6 inches of rainfall below average. We desperately need a really long-lasting, widespread soaking rain. We just don't have that in the forecast. Overnight, partly cloudy, still a little bit breezy, but look at these overnight lows. Close to the highs, 55 to 60 degrees for overnight. And then into tomorrow, near record warm. Still breezy, but dry. 60s on the Cape, but everywhere else, 73 to 78 degrees. That's a potential record in Boston, 76. Your previous record is 76 back in 2022. Don't want to rule out breaking it, but right now it's looking closer like you're going to potentially tie it or at least come close. And then Worcester, 72. Your record is also 72. Again, that was only set about 2 years ago. Tracking the tropics, Rafael's currently a tropical storm. It's going to trek across western Cuba as either Category 1, maybe a Cat 2 hurricane before it starts nearing the northern Gulf come late this weekend. It's looking more and more like the landfall is going to be sometime in Louisiana as we head toward late this weekend and into the start of next week, but it will be weakening upon approach, which is good news there. So warm for today, very warm for tomorrow. Thursday, Friday back down to the 60s. Again, we don't have any widespread rain in the forecast. Saturday bright down to the 50s. Sunday night into Monday, we have a chance for a couple showers. I still don't think it's going to be enough to get rid of the drought though.